Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can add cool captions to your videos in TikTok, IG Reels, or YouTube Shorts using Descript. Now, this is going to be easy, so let's start. So first, go to descript.com and you can download the Descript app on your PC or your Mac. Now, you can also use Descript on the web browser. Just sign up for an account and you should be good to go. So Descript is a software tool for audio and video editing. It offers features such as automatic transcription, waveform editing, and noise removal. These features enable users to edit videos by manipulating the text transcript, making the editing process more efficient and intuitive. Descript also provides collaboration tools to facilitate teamwork and streamline the video editing workflow. Now, after signing up, you can click on download and just wait for the download to finish. So after the installation, you are going to be taken here to your dashboard. Alright, now to add captions, simply click on new project. And from here, you can click on choose a file to transcribe, or you can drag and drop your video in here. Now after that, click on done and just wait for your video to finish transcribing. Alright, so to play your video, you can either press your spacebar or click on the play button right here.
Here are 5 time management hacks for busy people.
Now next is caption. So to add a caption, just highlight the sentence like so. Now go to the text icon on the top and click on captions. This is going to add a caption to your video. Now as you play your video, you will notice that the caption will follow your video.
Here are 5 time management hacks for busy people.
Now as you notice here, the first word here is actually wrong. So you can actually edit the transcript by highlighting it and click on correct, or you can use the shortcut, just press the letter C. So here, let's try and correct this transcript. And click on correct. And also I want the word 5 to be a number 5, like so. Alright, so next is to customize the caption. So click on the text box here, and in the right panel, you can see different options for your captions. You can click on the toggle button besides caption, and you can click here to customize your caption. So by default, this is set to classic, but here let's choose karaoke. This will highlight each word every time it is spoken in the video. To change the color of the text, you can click on this one and choose a color that you want, like so. And for the background, you can click this and you can also choose a color that you want. Now to change the font, you can go to text and click on the box and choose the font that you want. So for this one, I will choose Sora. Now to enhance your caption, you can add a border by clicking on this one right here, and you can choose the border that you want. So you can make it thicker or you can make it thinner. You can also add a background to it. So here you can choose a color and you can play around it until you get what you prefer. You can position your captions by clicking on it and dragging it to where you want it to be. So for this one, I'm just going to put it in the center, like so. And also guys, remember that when you play videos on YouTube, YouTube is gonna play something on the bottom, like your handle or some ads, so it's better to put it in the center. Now let's take a look at this one.
Time management hacks for busy people. 1. Use the Pomodoro technique.
Alright, now if you want your caption to be 2 lines, you simply need to click on the handle right here and drag it down. Also, I want the figure here first and the sentence to follow. So I'm going to hit C on my keyboard and change this word to the actual number 1. And now let's play it.
1. Use the Pomodoro.
Alright, so that is already looking good. Okay, now another one here that you can do is to add some emojis. So here, let's add emoji for the word management. So what you can do is go to a website called Quick Tools. And from here, you will find many different kinds of emojis that you can actually use. Alright, so from here, let's search for time. So let's type here time and choose an emoji. Let's choose this one. And once you click it, it will be automatically copied to your clipboard. So you can go back to Descript and just highlight this word here. And you can add the emoji by Control V. Okay, so there you have it. We added the emoji.
Here are 5 time management hacks for busy people.
Alright, so let's do the same for this. Let's copy an emoji and paste it here in correction mode, like so.
1. Use the Pomodoro technique. Break your
So I will just repeat the same process. So I am going to choose a word, copy an emoji, and paste it in correction mode until everything looks fine for you. Now once you are happy with your video, you can go ahead and click on Publish and click on Export tab. Now here you can edit or modify some settings from here, and when you're done, click on Export. Now you just have to wait for several minutes until your video is exported and saved to your computer. Now let's watch the result.
Here are 5 time management hacks for busy people. 1. Use the Pomodoro technique. Break your workday into 25-minute intervals with a 5-minute break in between. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a 15 to 20-minute break. This technique helps increase focus and productivity. 2. Prioritize tasks. Make a to-do list and prioritize tasks by importance and deadline. This helps ensure important tasks get done first and prevents last-minute rushes. 3. Learn to say no. Busy people often have trouble saying no, leading to overcommitment and time management issues. Learn to prioritize your own needs and say no to non-essential tasks. 4. Set boundaries. Turn off notifications during work time and establish boundaries with colleagues and family. This helps prevent distractions and ensures more focused work time. 5. Delegate. Don't try to do everything yourself. Learn to delegate tasks to colleagues or family members when possible. This helps reduce workload and frees up time for more important tasks.
Alright, so there you have it. This is how you can add cool captions to your videos using Descript. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.